perfect harmony until the leading cause illegal fishing is a key driver of global overfishing. It threatens marine ecosystems, puts food insecurity and regional stability at risk. Human populations have grown, so has the demand for wildlife. Wild animals are being poached on a massive scale, with millions of individual animals worldwide killed or captured from their native habitats. With all these devastating difficulties,
I didn't want to see there, but as you can see, I've been so busy. By the way, my name is Marwan, and I am an environmental. The range of India covers a huge territory stretching across Southeast to Central Asia and some parts of the Middle East. These animals are being hunted for their meat, which is considered a delicacy, and for their quills, which are, by the way, those spiky things that you are seeing on the back, are being used for traditional medicines, ornaments, and even good luck charms. Well, it is also believed that quills give illnesses such as lethargy, fainting, or even yes. I'm just saying on that, sometimes they are being considered as agricultural pests. Or they might be killed as a result. It's sad, but it's true.
Прибежали, пожрали, убежали.
go, thank you. Right. Now, what among these for insects or for foods? That's not what design is doing right over here. Now, studies have shown that there have been a vital role in controlling the insect population and also helping our environment to grow our plants by dispersing the seeds from the fruits that they are eating. As you can see, everyone, these animals plays an important role in our ecosystem. So always keep in mind that we need what is and definitely this one among these the trees to survive. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our 2020! Actually, none of that. Now we can see that long flashing tail over there, right? That's what we call the prehensile tail. They will use it to climb into trees, carry up their snacks, or even sometimes they will dangle upside down completely, just like. I'll show them you like. Just like that! Wow! You can see how strong the tail is, right? Now, animals like Beanie can be found in Southeast Asia, just like Philippines, Thailand, or even Malaysia. Here's the fun part. You remember the popcorn smell, right? Well, now wasn't a joke. That's actually how each rounds mark their territory. They release that scent into trees or even on branches. Other animals, this is my tree. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Beanie, our winter round out of course with his fancy tail. Thank you for that. Species of these guys, and believe it or not, all of them can be found in the island of Madagascar. Now, these guys, they love to warm up themselves in the morning after a long, cold night, when they will sit in our position that we call yoga position or sun worshiping. Now, we can see these rings around the tail, right? So these rings are as unique as fingerprints are for us humans. They are different from each one to another. Right, boys? How do we speak about trees before? Trees are also so important for these animals. They love to swing from tree to tree, sit on branches, or even sometimes eat the fruits up there, just like that. Alright? We're done over here, boys. Time to go back home. Ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful retail members! They love the taste and the smell of human witchcraft. Right, Daddy? I think you found something sweet over there. It's delicious, yeah. No, not for me. Can you tell it? Now, whenever you're ready, tell me. Yeah, it's taking this time for sure. Alright, okay. Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much. Let's do that for a good whenever you're ready. There you go. Alright, let's keep on singing. You're doing a nice job. Alright, we're done. Let's go, girls. Let's go. There you go. Alright.
Какие они все красивые, прям холеные.
We eat up to 1.8 kilograms of fish every single day. I know, that is only per individual. Now, these birds tend together in groups of dozens, sometimes even in hundreds. Now, let's imagine if there is no fish left in the water. How good news for this giant bird, right? That's why we always keep in mind that we need to give a really good care for our oceans. Ladies and gentlemen, then we have done our guest.
Как так они улетают туда, на место? Как так вообще? Ты что, и птицы тренировочные, что ли? Лебеди черные.
Even there are plant eaters, but they can still eat small fish, frogs, or even worms. Also, one species are listed as less concerned, but even that is still facing a lot of challenges in the wild, such as water pollution or even habitat loss. How can we go as humans to help and save these animals? It's easy and very simple. We start by throwing our trash straight to the bin and conserve water. Do you guys agree? Yeah? Alright. Now, with all these devastating difficulties, there is always hope. The safari-parke continues to contribute towards wildlife conservation. And you can do it by by using less plastic, by planting native trees, and by not buying exotic animals as pets. You can be a great help. And with this, we can be environmentalists just like us. And together,